Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll show you where to find guys the fuse for your front left window on a Porsche Cayenne guys. This one will be the first generation from 2002 to 2010. Now we'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal to save you guys as much money as we can. All you need in return, like and subscribe. This is the Porsche right here guys, and more videos could be found on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys as well. So now what do we need to do? If your front left window doesn't go up and down guys, it could be a few things. It could be bad motor, it could be bad regulator, it could be a bad fuse, bad door computer as well. So quite a few things. Okay, this cover now right here. Okay, get that plastic panel to pry it open. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. These are the fuses guys. Now we need to find fuse number, okay, fuse number 14. Okay, will be the one on the very, okay, it will be that second row here. It will be the very first fuse guys, very first fuse, 25 amp fuse. So we're going to replace it now. Okay, get a new one. You can find in the description of the video below guys where we get our fuses for amazing price. Replacement fuses, the whole kit for nothing. It's so affordable. Okay, let's check it out now. Window goes up, goes down, so that definitely takes care of the problem. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any specific requests, you want to see any specific video, just let me know. Drop a comment below and we will try our best to make a video for your problem. So see you guys next time.